Baby Doll Love here. Welcome to Baby Doll Love's nursery for Theme Thursday. And this theme is birds. And I've got some babies dressed up for this theme. I haven't done a Theme Thursday for a while. But here I have little Alessia Heather. And she's looking adorable today. She's wearing a little romper. It's so cute. It's got little birds on it in green and blue and flowers. And she's got her lovely bird with her. And we got this sweet outfit from Auntie Sue. And it's by Mini Club, early baby size, and it fits Alessia Heather perfectly. And she has some birds at her feet as well. And then over here we have Sweet Sage. Oh, she's looking so cute. She's wearing a little onesie that has birds on it. There's a purple, orange, green, red bird. And this onesie is by the Onesie brand, and it's newborn size. And she's looking so cute. And she's got some birds perched on her little bouncer today. And then over here, we've got Belvy. And Belvy's wearing a beautiful, bright onesie with gorgeous fuchsia and aquamarine birds. And there's little lace bows on the bird's neck. And we got this onesie from Auntie Sharon. Belvy's just looking so cute, very tropical today, and she's got a rubber ducky. A duck is a bird. She's got a rubber ducky with her, and she's just looking super sweet today. Well, I hope everyone's having a great day, and I just want to say, I hope Yvonne, you're doing okay. I'm thinking of you. We're all thinking of you in this reborn community. And just take it a day at a time. I know it's hard, but you'll get through it, and it'll get easier with time. So, my babies want to wish everyone a wonderful Thursday, and thank you for visiting my channel today. Bye from Baby Doll Love. Bye-bye.